How to add follow button on Facebook profile. For that, you need to open the Facebook application and tap on the three-line icon at the upper right corner. Now tap on gear icon at the top of the screen, and under audience and visibility you need to tap on how people find and contact you. So on the top you can see who can send you friend requests. Simply tap on it and set to friends of friends. Here you can see who can see your friend list. Tap on it and now select friends. Scroll down and here you can see the option of people with your email address. Tap on it again and select friends of friends. And again with people with your number, tap on it and tap on friends of friends. Come back again and here is the option of followers and public content. Tap on it. And after that, you need to set on who can follow me to public. Then after that, go back again and the last change what you need to make is on the post. At the first option, you can see who can see your future post. Tap on it and set to public. Then after that, let's come back from here. Let's come back to the home page of this Facebook, and once you need to scroll and refresh it. After that, you need to tap on the what's on your mind profile, and here you need to tap on three dotted line. Then on this profile settings page, tap on view as, and here you can see that the follow button has already been added on Facebook profile. So this is how you can easily add follow button on Facebook profile. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.